Hello everyone, I am here with my YouTube video for today. So today we are going to learn how to draw this Neymar Jr jersey. So I am starting with the basic line, the center line. And after this I am going to draw a sleeping line here. One more sleeping line, this is for the collar of the jersey. Joining them with two slanting lines on both the sides and then one more line in the center. Now just making one slanting line on one side, the other one on the other side for the shoulders. Now I am making a standing line on one side, another one on the other side, and joining them together with a little curved line. Now from the top line I am just drawing one more slanting, joining it, and then one more slanting. I am drawing a sleeping line from this side to the other side to make sure that the sleeves that I have drawn are same and are equal in size. So joining it here again with the slanting line. Now just making the borders of the sleeves, adding two lines here and two lines on the other side as well. Now after this we are going to make two sleeping lines. In between this we are going to write the name of the player. And now I'll be making two more sleeping lines. So these are just the extra lines, so I'm erasing them as a lot of lines can cause confusion. So I'm making two more lines here. Inside it we'll be writing the number of the player, that is number 10. So making the standing line first for the number 1, another standing line, slanting here, slanting on the other side, standing, slanting, slanting and standing. Writing the number 0, two standing lines here and joining them with two slanting lines on both the sides, one slanting, another slanting. This is the way the number is written on his jersey, so we are just following the same pattern. Just look at the lines carefully, it will be very easy for you to do it. Now once we are done with the basic drawing, we are starting with the outline with the pen. So here I am writing the name directly with the pen, but if in case you want to write with the pencil, you can do that first. So that is completely on you and that is completely your wish. So when writing the name, just be careful with the lines and the font which has been used on their jersey, as it is different. The style of font is different on almost all the jerseys, so you can just look at the lines carefully when you're writing them. Just follow the steps, it will be very easier for you to do it. Slanting, standing, standing, slanting, and again a standing line. So just see the drawing and the letters in the form of lines, where you have a sleeping line, where you have a slanting, where you have the standing line, and it will be very easier for you to do it. Hope these step-by-step instructions are going to help you to draw this. Now once we are done writing the name of the player, we are just outlining the pencil lines that we have drawn. So just be very careful when outlining the pencil lines, as we do not have to outline all the lines. We just need to outline the final lines. So be very careful when you are doing it. Now starting with the outline of the jersey. So I am starting with the collar and just following the pencil lines that I have drawn. It is always convenient to first draw with the pencil and then do the outline, as we don't do any mistake then. The products that I am using in my video, the links for all of them are provided in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself if you want to use and try them. So now I'm just erasing the pencil lines, the extra pencil lines which I made to make the drawing. They were only for the help and we don't need them in our final drawing. So once I am done with erasing the lines, now I am starting the color. So it's a light green in one part of the collar, and in the name and the number also we have the light green shade. Here I am using the Staedtler pencils. As mentioned before, all the links for the products are available in the video description. You can just go and check them there. I'm doing the same color in the number, the light green. I hope you all found the drawing very easy and it would have helped you to draw the whole drawing in a very easier way. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, and like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the bell icon for the regular updates. I am doing the light green color again in one part of the sleeve, the other side again. Now in the other section we have to do the blue color. Now we are starting with the last and the main color of the jersey, that is the yellow color. So rest of the area we just need to fill with the yellow color. I hope all the football fans are going to be very happy to learn how to draw the jersey of their favorite player. You can check the other videos also for the jersey of the other players. Step-by-step tutorials are all uploaded there with all the recorded instructions. And also you can let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw next. And if you want to share your drawings with us, you can just email us on our email ID, which is mentioned in the video description. So a quick coloring technique that I'm going to use with you. Whenever you are coloring, just do it in one direction, and even if you want to change the direction, do not leave any spaces in between the pencil lines. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends, with all the football lovers. So we are almost done with the coloring part in the jersey. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.